Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pindo. They also call me Tips with Dave, and I'm just gonna jump into it. Today's video, we're gonna be talking specifically about using, let's say, an affiliate marketing, whether you're using a one-time offer, so these low-ticket products, or do you want to use a recurring offer, which is better for you. Now, both has their pros and cons. So I'm gonna jump into a training that I have, and I'm gonna show you also what resource that I'm personally using to make this decision. I hope this helps you. Feel free to hit that subscribe button if it does, and I'm going to see you guys in a little bit. All right, guys, here I am on my screen. And before I jump into any of the information, first and foremost, I want to welcome you to the channel. If you're here for the first time, I post 3 times a week. My name is David Pindo. They also call me Tips with Dave. I've been doing affiliate marketing on and off for the last 10 years now, for that matter. And I am basically sharing my entire journey and trying to get into, or rather, help you understand the skill sets that are needed for specifically affiliate marketing, but also to pave the way for your dreams to come true. That means that in the future, if I'm doing something else and I decide to share something else on this channel, you will get access to it. So it's not just one skill set. For now, I'm talking about specifically copywriting and advertising. These are the main 2 skill sets that we need in marketing. And I am using this strategy that you can see on the screen. So we are going to be talking about one-time affiliate offers or recurring affiliate offers. Now, personally, in my journey, I have used both, and I'm going to share with you the pros and cons and see whether it makes sense for you. But before I even go ahead and give you those details, I wanted to talk about a little bit about my strategy in itself. There are 2 steps. One is it's going to be my Legion secrets to offer that generates me sale. The whole purpose of the step 1 is to generate cash flow so that I then can purchase, because I personally use paid advertising more than free, to be able to build my email list. This is personally my strategy. I don't expect anybody to follow it. I don't expect anybody to get results. I'm just sharing with you and documenting my journey as I go along. And if you want to check this out, if you want to see the strategy, but also learn the skill sets of advertising, learn the skill sets of copywriting, making sure that your emails are good and updating them from time to time, because it's always progressing. It's never going to happen overnight. You're not going to have the success overnight. It does take time to implement the skill sets, but it is worth it in my opinion. So that being said, if you do want to know more about this strategy, more about this plan, I have a link in the description that basically goes to the course, which I have laid this out and mapped this out for you guys, including focusing on the essential skill sets. It's what I am doing on a daily basis. I'm actively doing it as well. And then you can also get access to my Facebook group where I can support you along the way. That being said, let's dive into it. So we're going to be talking about 2 things in this video, guys. One is we're going to be talking about My Legion Secret. If you're here for the first time, you know that I utilize My Legion Secret, which is a traffic generation source. And then you'll also find a link to My Legion Secrets in the description of this video. But just let me show you very clearly. It gives you 100 to 200 email leads every single day, core registration leads, people who are interested in business opportunities, make money on online niche, the wealth niche in itself. So that's the kind of leads you're getting. And then basically you can send out an email every single day to these leads. And if your marketing is good, if your copy is good, and you're able to convert these leads into a sale, which is what I personally focus on, that is what you can do. Okay. So whether it's sending it to your own email list or whether it's sending it, an actual product or service, I personally send it only to sales pages, which is to either recurring offers or one-time offers. There are advantages in sending this traffic to recurring offers. There are advantages to sending it to paid offer, one-time offers, right? So I use 2 affiliate networks. If you guys don't know what an affiliate network is, what I'll do is link above right now a video that I made explaining what an affiliate network is. So you get access to that, and I think it's going to be beneficial for you. That being said, I use WordPress as one of my affiliate networks, my main affiliate network. And then I also use ClickBank as another. Now, what I'm going to show you is I'm being very transparent with my results on this channel. But at the same time, I want to make sure that you understand that these are my results. I cannot guarantee you these results. I'm using these results just as an example purpose to help you make an educated decision whether you want to go a one-time offer or whether you want to go a recurring offer. It doesn't even have to be an offer with Warrior Plus or ClickBank. It can be an offer that you have, your own offer, or another affiliate offer that you have. It really doesn't matter. At the end of the day, I'm trying to help you understand the benefits for both. So I'm going to go to my stats and I'm going to do the same thing. We're going to look at my this year's stats, year to date. Like I said, I use WordPress as my main affiliate, network, guys, and ClickBank is the secondary. But on ClickBank, I basically have all recurring offers. I do not have any one-time offers that I'm sharing with my leads or on my Legion secrets, I only share with them actually recurring offers. And that being said, if I click over here, I believe it'll take me to the old ClickBank, and I want to talk about the recurring offers because there are a few things that make sense. I think that we can really talk about. So if we look at reporting, and I'm gonna go to like kind of basically all the reporting that I have. Give me a second. Transactions, I believe, and we will look at since the beginning of this year. So let's look at January to not April, but we are in June, so let's look at till 17th of June, right? And let's hit on go. Now, what I want to see, what I basically am trying to show you in this is every transaction, because I started using ClickBank at the beginning of this year, and you will see that there are some rebuild options right here. Now, I want you to pay attention to one specific one so that you can a few ones actually right from the beginning. Okay, so let's say we look at this sale right here, which is for a product called perpetual income 365. Okay, I basically earned recurring payments. This is the first month that I made it. In March, I made my, sorry, in January, I made 15th of January, I made my first sale. And then I got another one in February, then another one in March, then another one in April, and that's it. I did not get a recurring pay. So that is January, February, March, April. So that's 4 months of recurring payments. Okay. Now this means $21.24 into 4. Okay, that's what I earned with this recurring offer. So remember, I made the sale once, right? I got the commission once, but I got paid 4 times. There's a reason why I'm giving you these numbers and statistics, because I think sometimes people forget about it and don't pay attention to this very important element. Then you can also see this 19, for example, is a sale right here. Now you only look at the rebill. So this is the January, which is the first rebill, then 19 in February, so that's 2, and that's it, nothing more. So I have 2 products, which one was giving me 4 months worth of recurring payments, and the other one was giving just 2 months. Okay, so even if I look at this February one right here, you can see that 1 and 2, and that's it, right? Even if I look at, for example, 24th, you'll see 1, 2, yeah, 2, because this is the day I made the sale, and then you have 1, and then you have 2. So 2. If I look at 31 as well, you can see the same. So there's a rebuild here. There's 1 and 2. So most probably next month, I'm not going to get this. In the month of July, I'm not going to get this. Why? Because there is this product, which is with social rep, that I'm basically averaging out 2 months of payments. So that's why I need to continuously make sales so that those recurring payments can grow over time. So maybe in the first month I was making 100 or 75. Now I'm only making $36 every single month. Why? Because I don't have any more new sales happening, and I need to focus on getting new sales. Okay. So the point over here is with recurring, it does help you. I'm gonna share with you my pros at least. First and foremost, you're creating a kind of passive income in itself. You're putting the work in once, you're sharing and offer a service, and you're getting payments one after the other. And this can be the benefit, the biggest benefit, whether it's this or a tool or anything that you're using. The biggest benefit that I see is that it can definitely help you with the stress level, let's say, of hitting your certain target for the month of May, for the month of June, for the month of July, whatever it is. Hitting your monthly targets, it does help you. Why? Because even though, if let's say 1 month you make a little bit less sales, you still have recurring commissions that are coming in if somebody is staying, if you position yourself well and everything else to stick with that tool or product for the long. That is for the first thing. The second thing is the subscriptions. In my opinion, I would only share with other affiliates, or I would share products or services which have a purpose. So like tools, software, these kind of things. If you get Canva, for example, if you get TubeBuddy, for example, if you get these kind of different services and offers out there, those are recurring payments that somebody needs those tools, and obviously it'll have a higher retention rate for you to get commissions for a long term. Okay, so that's something that nobody tells you, but I wanted to show you guys realistic examples of products that cost monthly payments, like a membership basically that costs monthly payments, and people sometimes just stay for 2 months or 4 months, and that's it. You're not going to have any more recurring payments coming in. So you have to balance out making those daily sales and having at least a minimum number to reach a target. Let's say you want to have $1,000 per month. What is the minimum amount of active users that you need to have? And you should always keep having that. I have my Legion Secrets itself. I've got about, I believe, 30 30 people in commissions, and each of the 30 referrals, and each of them gave me $5, but actually I have only 13 people now that are active instead of the 30. So I have 50% of people dropped off. So I'm trying to give you guys an understanding that it's not going to be 100% retention rate. And this is something that people just really forget to talk about. It's not going to give you 100% retention rate. So just know that, and it has its purpose. Me personally, I like to focus on one-time offers. Now I use one-time offers specifically on WirexApp. Why? And I'm using there's a reason why I'm using one-time offers, and I'm using evergreen products as one-time offers only. The ones that do need recurring payments, because I do have recurring payments, you can see right here, combined earning, which means recurring payments as well, is I want to show you this very transparently, is basically Traffic Engine and Traffic Blaster. What is Traffic Engine and Traffic Blaster? The two advertising sources that I personally use that I share with my audience. And therefore, it is a recurring payment. It's a small really income that comes in, but it is a recurring payment. The rest of my commissions that you can see right here, which is 2000 plus, all these 200 sales have come from one-time purchases. These are people who have purchased the product. So I made 67 sales in affiliate marketing crack since the beginning of the year. I made 27 on automated commission system. I made 22. These are one-time payments, guys. Okay, these are one-time payments. Now the difference between the two is, first and foremost, this is a training. If it's a membership site or something like that, I would make a recurring offer. And I'm not saying that one is better than the other. I'm saying that it really depends on your personal effort. Okay, I have seen a higher success rate and a much lower refund rate with these one-time offers, first and foremost, which basically means I get to keep more of my income, and my focus is just having those 30 sales every month, those 40 sales every month, and I'm being committed to myself to get those 40 sales every month. Obviously, it's the same amount of effort. If you make 40 sales recurring every month, ooh, that's going to be a higher end, but you have to position yourself the right way. This way, I know that I'm speaking about it. If somebody doesn't like it, they're going to refund, and that's it. That day is closed, right? But I know that I have not got a high refund rate. I've actually got a very low refund rate with this. There are people who have refunded, but I know that I'm getting those commissions consistently. And it's really based on me, on the effort that I need to. And also, I would say that recurring offers take more time and effort to support. One-time offers, if they're evergreen and helpful to other people, you can always just refer them back to the offer. And that's it. You know that it's not going to change. It's not going to benefit you so much. So, sorry, not going to harm you so much, right? So anyway, Trace, this is the what I wanted to share with you. I personally use both. Ideally, with My Legion Secrets, I have seen, in my opinion, better results with WordPlus than ClickBank. This is my limited opinion, okay? This is my limited scope of what I've used My Legion Secrets with these two offers. But it's really up to you whether you want to use WordPlus or you want to use JVZoo or you want to use something else. Personally, I'm using both. I try to get my recurring offers up in ClickBank, but it's not my main focus. My main focus is getting that consistent sales on my Warrior Plus, and then eventually having one separately for ClickBank itself. Either which ways, the experience that I've seen, both contain work, and you have to have a good ethical mindset of writing that email every single day in order for you to get results, and good emails to get results. So learning copy and learning advertising are the two main skill sets for anything. I hope that makes sense. I hope that gave you value. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments. I don't mind sharing with you guys the products. That you can see some of the products that I own, but they're pretty much evergreen products. In my course, I talk about it in detail, and I give you also the bonus access to all the products that I own, so you'll see everything. I don't share everything to my email list. This is specifically for the course, okay? That being said, guys, ask your questions, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification. I would appreciate it. Follow along my journey if you want to. And as I said, if you want to work with me, the course is in the description. I look forward to seeing you on the inside. Have a great day and keep making the dreams come true.